Hello YouTube family, this is Angela coming to you with another video, and today I'm having jalapeno poppers, fried chicken, and coleslaw. Let us say our prayer first. Amen. Okay y'all, so I just went to Walmart and got dinner. So we're having jalapeno poppers. I got 2 big things of chicken and some coleslaw. And I have a market side sweet iced tea from Walmart. And y'all, I just left grocery shopping and I left my honey. I didn't realize it, so I was on my way home. So, ooh, a good sweet tea, y'all. I love a good sweet tea. So I do got my hot sauce. Kind of heard about my honey. And I got everything else I was supposed to get but my honey. And I think the only reason why I keep forgetting it because right now I don't need no salad dressings or nothing. And I think that's why I keep forgetting it because it's like in the same aisle or by each other, and that's why I don't ever have to, I ain't going down that aisle right now. And I think that's why I'm forgetting it. So this coleslaw from Walmart too, y'all. And it's still Thursday, y'all. I did an earlier video with me eating some chicken that I made at home. And this just some chicken I bought because it's late. It's almost 7 o'clock and I'm just now getting home. So the kids eating this chicken today. I only got 2 pieces because y'all know I ate chicken earlier. So y'all, just that Walmart chicken. See how crunchy it is. Okay, y'all. These are jalapeno poppers. Do y'all like jalapeno poppers? I eat these a lot. They always have jalapeno and cream cheese in it. You don't really need no sauce with these because cream cheese come in it. Jalapeno lovers know what I'm talking about. Y'all know I love my jalapeno, so can't go wrong with a good jalapeno popper. I told y'all that's why I love Walmart. Get my groceries, and if I'm running late and I know my kids got to eat, I just get something that they got already made. Yeah, I got my paper towels. I got everything I needed but that honey. So, and I was like, I don't have no honey. Should I do my video? But that don't mean nothing. I just ain't got no honey. I left it. That's that cream cheese coming out there, y'all. I got 10 jalapeno poppers. Y'all, that tea good. But I know I love McDonald's sweet tea and I love Chick-fil-A sweet tea. With Chick-fil-A, you can get a lemon. They usually give you a lemon. So yeah, y'all, this chicken came from Walmart. It was already done. It was already hot. And it's so crunchy and good. So if y'all hear me crunching, yes, this chicken is crunchy. It tastes the way it sounds. See? Tastes the way it sounds. Yeah, so if anybody ever say something to me about, oh, you smacking or crunchy, I'm like, girl, my food tastes the way it sounds. It tastes crunchy and good. If I don't even know if I'm even smacking or not, but if I am smacking, my food tastes just like it sounds good. Y'all, I'm giving another piece of chicken when I get off here. I don't know what combination I got. Jalapeno poppers, coleslaw with chicken, but it's good. Y'all, I'm finna give me another piece of chicken. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I went and got this. I gotta stop doing that too. Knowing I'll be wanting more. At, especially when it comes to chicken. Knowing I want no 2 pieces of chicken. Knowing I want 3 or 4. Don't nobody want no 2 pieces of chicken. Nobody. They want 3 or 4 pieces. Like I said, I'm just missing my honey, y'all. But it still tastes good. Okay, y'all, I'm getting full now. This big old thick breast. And it's juicy. Okay, I'm full. I'm full. A little more coleslaw, 1 more jalapeno popper. Okay, maybe 1 more of these. Okay, y'all, I am full. Woo. Let's pick it on this chicken. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I'm good. My day is complete. I did everything I need to do today. Everybody fed in here. So y'all know what that means. I can sit down and relax and watch TV. When everything's done around the house, I can sit down and relax. Everything done for the day. Tomorrow, a brand new day. So I'm busy every day. But this day, I can sit down and relax now. Okay, y'all, I'm done. Jalapeno lovers, get you some jalapeno poppers. If you haven't had none of Walmart chicken, get you some. It's fresh, hot, and crunchy. It tastes the way it sounds. If y'all heard me smacking or crunching, it tastes just like that. And coleslaw, that's just a side. So, happy Thursday, y'all. I'm finna relax, watch TV. I don't know what's on right now, but I'm finna relax for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a happy Thursday night. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.